Hitech One first test flight, G Newton and S Bridge. Preparing the rocket for launch. Setting the launch angle. Unrolling the troublesome launch cable. Found its resistance was too high, and by the time the current got to the rocket there was nothing left of it. There's the video recorder. That's a Lucas car battery. Our rocket igniter power supply. Of course it didn't give out enough current, that battery was half flat. We had to use a 3 amp power pack. There's the launcher and associated power circuitry.
Houston Control, we are T-minus 95, 94, 93, 92.
Encrypt, altimeter 3009.
38,000 feet, range 19 miles.
Columbia, you're coming right around the hack, looking beautiful. Base on aboard 30,000.
Control very smooth.
Looking us now out at the launch site.
Righto.
End result. As you can see, all the grass is blackened and charred, and now the batteries of the video are about to go flat. This is the last view you'll get of the rocket after takeoff. It blew that retort stand over as you see it.